see if I can get what I came for. Came to get some conch. Hey, so earlier today I stopped at this Chinese store in Gardena called Dat Moi, Datmoi. They told me they have a 5-pound bag of conchs, and I was under the impression it was like $90 for the 5-pound bag. However, they did not tell me, and because the posted price was $90, I assume I can just drive down to Gardena and pick it up for $90. I got there and it's like $195. I'm like, wow. Anyway, I'm cooking a little bit of it today. Belizean style conch soup, that is. As you can see, the pot is simmering, and that's the conchs right there boiling. I'm softening it up, and it's been boiling for probably about 25 to 35 minutes. So I'm about to do the second part. But before I do that, let me go over to the veggies. I have some green plantain, which I grated. It's called Matilda, I believe. In the old days, we used to call it Matilda. That's those right there. And then I have some just cut up plantain. And then I have carrots. These are the veggie ingredients that goes into it. I have, that's thyme, scallions, okra, bell pepper, or what we call sweet pepper. I have plain onion. Over here we have potatoes and coco. And this kind of like a cassava, I think it's called, what is this? Yucca. I think they call it yucca. And of course, look what I picked up at that Moi, Marie Sharp. Of course, those are some of the ingredients that goes into it. Bell pepper, onions, scallions, potato, cocoa, yucca, okra, sweet pepper or bell pepper. I also have 2 cans of coconut milk. I have all-purpose seasoning. I have garlic. What else I have? Garlic, carrots, and of course, on the seasoning side, garlic powder. I put in like 3 cloves of whole garlic crushed and some cilantro. I will move on to step number 2, which means I will start making the roux. Yes, you do make a flour-based roux. To me, the flour-based roux thickens it up. It gives it flavor. With me, I added a little peanut oil on top of the flour, and then I just stir. So that's what we are doing right here. I'm stirring the roux, and I'm trying to get it to be as maybe like a caramel type color, and then it's almost there, as you can see. And once I'm done, then I will add the veggies and stir it up. Then I will add some water, and then I will mix it with the conch, which is already boiling in the pot over here. So at the same time, I will then add 2 cans of coconut milk. I said earlier that I would be adding some of the vegetables to the roux. The roux is done. I added the vegetables to it, and I transferred it into the main pot. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. It's creamy, nice texture. It's just sizzling. And as you can see, 1 happy habanero pepper floating around in the middle of the pot. I only use 1.5 pounds of conch. Like I say, I had to save some. It's so expensive. I use 1.5 pounds, and it's well seasoned. I just put in the okra. But last but not least will be what we have over here. We have well, in Belize, we call it Matilda, and I have some plantain, not banana. We have plantain, sliced or diced plantain, along with the dumpling green plantain, which is called Matilda foot. Guess what that is? I think we call that cilantro. Cilantro will give it a nice little flavor. So that, along with the Matilda foot and diced plantain, will go into the pot lastly. Okay, I think that's all for now. Yeah, that's all for now. Okay, I'm happy. Better the rice pot look right happy. There. Better rice. And over here we got the conch soup. Look at that. Smell-o-vision. If you could only smell the aroma, it's delicious smelling. It smells so good in here. I wish I can share it, but I am in the best that I can. Okay.